Hi everyone, Robin here from Teamwork, just popping in to give you a look back at some of the really exciting solutions we produced in 2022 and also give you a sneak peek at some of the really exciting stuff we've got coming down the pipe in 2023. By now, everyone has seen our brand new look and layout. Teamwork is still the platform you know and love, only we gave it a glow up to help you do more focused, productive work, all the while making your work look even better. Here at Teamwork, we're always listening to our customers' feedback, and one of the things that came through loud and clear from you guys over the last 12 months is that our reporting needed to be enhanced. We have 3 new, really powerful, incredible new reporting solutions. First up is the time report, giving you all things time within Teamwork. Second up, we've got custom reports, which allows you to slice and dice the data to get the insights you need to run your business more profitably. We've also introduced scheduled reports, allowing you to share your reports internally and externally at a date and time of your choosing. We now have a dedicated finance section for each project in Teamwork. Now you have access to the most accurate view of each project's financial performance, ultimately ensuring you stay on track to achieve your revenue goals and become more profitable. We've also introduced, for the first time, the Teamwork Academy. This is a one-stop shop for all things client management, complete with a full range of resources like in-product tutorials and step-by-step courses. And to round out our look at 2022, we want to talk about some of the automation and integration updates we've made. From HubSpot to Slack and beyond, we looked for ways to automate your work and integrate it with your favorite tools to save you time and streamline your processes. So that's a quick look back at some of the powerful features we produced in 2022, but it'd be remiss not to give you a sneak peek at some of the exciting solutions we've got on deck for 2023. First up is our proofing solution, and this is based on a lot of feedback from customers. This was an area where we heard a lot of inefficiencies were happening in our client businesses. So we're going to make your client approval process more seamless than ever before. We all know that logging time can be painful. So in 2023, Teamwork is introducing My Timesheets, allowing you to log all your time in bulk in one centralized location. And in 2023, you can stop doing your retainer work manually because a retainer solution is coming to Teamwork, allowing you to manage that recurring work on an ongoing basis within the Teamwork platform. So that's a sneak peek at some of the solutions coming in 2023. We'll see you back here next year, but in the meantime, happy holidays to everybody.